Today's video is on how you can replace the bulbs of your fog lights. This is a 2010 Corolla. That procedure is standard for our 208 to 2013, maybe more models. So we're just gonna change the bulbs. They went out, so I'm gonna show you how to change them, and we'll try and avoid taking off the bumper. Just try and do it from just lifting the car and just changing it from the hood. So if you haven't watched the video on how I was able to change these headlights, the link is going to be in the description. They look so great, getting a lot of love for them, so check it out in the description. So back to the fog lights. We'll use these rhino ramps to lift the car, and then I'll get the fog lights and we can change them. Project will be using these LED lights from Oxilam. Oxilam LED lights. They are 6 times brighter than the traditional halogen lights. We'll see how bright they are. They're easy to install, and they don't really blind other drivers. So this is a really good. These are really good lights. It's a really good product. So let's open it up and replace the bulbs. So the package has some gloves, which is really nice of them for you to do the job. And here are the fog lights. So you got 2, 1 for each side. So we'll just raise the car up, and easy procedure, just replace them. And if you would want to get the same item, check the link in the description. I'm going to share the link in the description, and you can get 20% off your purchase. Just use the discount code at the top right of the screen. Should be right there. So just check that out, check that code on the right, and enter that code when you're making the order, and with that code you get 20% off. Just use the code DIY with Brian. Just use the code DIY with Brian, and automatically you get 20% off your order on these fog lights. So let's change them out and see how they are. So there's 2 things you can do underneath. You can open up this panel by unscrewing this bolt over here, so you can have access to the fog lights which is inside here. Or if you can be able to reach inside with your hand, twist it counterclockwise and just, yeah, you have that sound, and just pull it outside through here. And this is the fog light, the bulb. So easy procedure. We'll just have to take out this bulb. I think we just pull it out, and the other bulb should be the same size. So we'll just try and pull this thing out. Just gotta open it up on both sides and clip it. Then pull it out. Take a new light. Here it is, and just push it in all the way. Lock it on the sides. So just stretch inside, try and find the fog light. Once you've located it, just put the bulb inside. and twist it clockwise, and I think we're in. So just to confirm it's working correctly, you can just turn on the car, turn on the lights and test them.
When they thought they'd break, we were ready for the earthquake.
So now we have both of them inside. Next thing would be to turn on the car and see if we did the right thing or if we need to change anything. There we go, works perfectly, super bright. So as mentioned, I'll share the link in the description. Make sure you get one of these for your car. They're super bright, no blindness to other drivers, which is a problem, and as you know, 6 times brighter than the traditional lights. That's super great. When there's mist or fog, you're sure that your vision is not impaired. So check it out, check the link in the description. Use the discount code on the top right, this corner of your screen, DIY with Brian, and you get 20% off automatically. So check it out, get one for yourself, and easy replacement, and you don't need anyone to do this for you. You just need to locate your fog lights and twist it and you're good to go. 2-3 minutes tops, you're done. Thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe to the channel, like the videos, watch the videos, watch the previous videos on how I was able to replace the headlight bulbs, the headlight housing. Check it out. The links will be in the description. See you on the next one. Thank you for tuning in.
For the earthquake.